Updating your email address on Paramount Plus is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your account information is current. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Paramount Plus website or open the app and log in using your current email address and password. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is usually found by clicking on your profile icon and name in the top corner of the screen. Step 3. Select the email address option. In the account settings menu, look for an option labeled email address or account information. Click on this option to proceed. Step 4. Enter new email address. You will see a field where you can enter your new email address. Type in the new email address you wish to use and ensure it is entered correctly. Step 5. Save changes. After entering the new email address, look for a Save or Update button. Click this button to confirm the change. You may receive a confirmation email at your new address to verify the update. Make sure to check your new email for any verification messages. Keeping your account information up to date helps ensure you receive important notifications and updates.